Hello chemistry learners. In previous video, we see the first properties of colligative properties type, relative lower of vapor pressure. Today we see about the elevation in boiling point. Then from the headline itself, you know that what there isn't changing in boiling point. If you have the one pure solvent in beaker, we have the pure solvent. We add the non-volatile substances or other solute to the pure solvent. So what is done in previous video? We see that there is a relative lowering of vapor pressure. Then its lowering of vapor pressure causes that increasing in boiling point. So there is an increase in temperature of the solution. So the increases in boiling point of the solution. So it causes the elevation in boiling point. For example, in home we cook the pasta or noodles or anybody one. So we add what? In water we add the salt when cooking pasta or Maggi or etc. When adding the salt, it slightly raises the boiling point. So is boiling point increases slowly. So there is an increase in temperature in boiling point. So due to that adding of pure solvent to impure non-volatile liquid or addition of another solute, it causes relative lower of vapor pressure lower and increases in temperature. Then it's explained by mathematically. Then TB degree is the boiling point of pure solvent and TB is the boiling point of the solution after adding the salt or another particle. So there is a changing in boiling point. So it's represented by delta TB is equal to T degree B minus TB. Then by experimentally shows it's equal to molality of the solution. So the delta TB is directly proportional to M. Delta TB is equal to KBM. Then KB is the molar elevation constant. So from today video, we have clear idea about the elevation of boiling point. In another video, we see the another interesting topic. Thank you for watching. Thank you.